guys, even though they've taken Fable away from us, we can still use Fable Mode using Opus 4.8 using this GitHub called Fable Mode. Now, people have tested this GitHub to see if it actually works. And basically, it's produced 90% of the quality of actual Fable. It's a Claude skill that enforces staged execution discipline and being very organized. So basically, I installed the skill, and the way to install it, and make sure you save this video, is I basically tell AI like this. I said, can you please install the Fable Mode skill so I can use it in any chat? Here it is. So he said, of course, I can install it so you can use it globally. And then when I actually try and use it, I say, hey, look at Fable Mode skill. And then he starts using it. I've loaded the Fable Mode skill. Here's the gist. What it is: an execution discipline checklist for complex multi-step work. 4-step loop. Step 1, stage map. Write the numbered plan before touching anything. Number 2, delegate. Spawn concurrent subagents for independent stages, if the runtime supports it. 3, verify. Every stage need a pass condition that can fail, an actual test that can actually be tested. And number 4, self-critique. Read the final output as a skeptic. Name at least one weakness, fix or flag it. So using this prompt, you can literally convert Opus 4.8 into Fable. When not to use it, in trivial or single pass tasks. Just is no point of doing it only if it's a complicated big project. So I'm actually doing it right now. I'm using it right now. Let's see how it's doing. So check this out. It's literally doing a lot of research before it starts. Guys, this is like basically endless research. Oh my goodness. Look at this absolute insanity. It's working very, 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 very carefully and making sure it does everything correctly. And I'll tell you later in a separate video how well this actually works, even though I've already heard people getting the type of results that you can get from Fable. It turns out that using the right prompts can actually convert a model like Opus 4.8 into Fable. Now, for those of you who want this, simply take a screenshot or type Fable Mode into Google and you can get this now. So they can't take away Fable from us. And if you want more content like this, type of content that makes sure that everyone has the ability to do what they want in life without government or people controlling you, follow me. This is the channel that's going to help you get to that. Now he's still doing this. I have nearly everything I need. 2 more checks before I write. And he's just basically keeps checking and researching. Usually he just gets straight to work. But thanks to Fable Mode, it's actually doing the right type of work. And he's going to produce something that actually works at the end. See you in the next one.